everybody, and welcome back to another video, where today we're going to be playing Roblox, and specifically the game that we're going to be playing, well, I'm going to be playing in Roblox, is called Jailbreak. So basically, Jailbreak is basically a game where you have two teams, prisoners and police. Basically, it's not just like all the old jail games and police games and things like that, but really, the prisoners actually have more of an open area to rob banks and to get money and to open crates. It's amazing. It's so much better than all those other games. But this video, I think, let's just start off with by a police person. Okay, that team is full, so let's go to a prisoner. Okay, let's be a prisoner. Confirm. I'm a prisoner. Okay. The arrows pointing this way, let's go this way. Because the arrows are pointing this way. So stand up here. Guest, can you open this, please? Thank you, guest. Open this, please. No. Really, guest? Guest? What did I even do wrong in the first place? I mean, not just be in the cell for 30 seconds. I mean, like, it just doesn't make sense. Hey, you. You're right over there. He won't even let me free. Help. At least I'm gonna be released in like 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. I have been born in the world of prison. Let's go back up there again. Yes, thank you. What the heck? Why are they killing? Ow! Stop! Did they get warnings or something? Because I certainly did not deserve to get killed. What? Why do I? Yes, I'm here. Most wanted. Amber 50-50. 100 bounty. Okay. Can I help you get her? Arrest these criminals to earn their bounties. Well, I'm sort of... Oh, I see why they're trying to kill me. It's because right now we stay in cells. Well, you know what? I'm not in my cell, so too bad to say. I'm just gonna crawl. Because why not? Okay, oh, yo. Did I get a cop's key card? Yo, wait. Please. Please. Yo. Goodbye! I have escaped prison! With a helicopter! Oh my god. I have escaped prison with a freaking helicopter. What's over here? Nothing. It's just the edge of the world. Okay, let's go this way. It looks like there's like a neighborhood. Okay, I can leap. There's a car there. Well, I want to rob a bank. Because you can rob banks after you escape, but I need a key card. What's this way? Oh, over there's like the prison. So I guess go this way. Okay. Where does this lead? I hope there's like a bank or something this way. Promise you, there would probably not though. Okay, whoa, is this a city? Yeah, this is a city. The bank. Oh my god, the bank. It's a bank. Wait, at least let me go get something. At least let me find the... Oh my god, I think I found the criminal's base already. Okay, well, looks like I found the criminal's base, so bye-bye, airplane. Oh, no, oh my god. Oh, thank Lord I spawned here. Okay. So let's grab this gun. Let's also grab this gun. And let's go run to the plane. But you know what? Let's just go ride this. Okay. Where does this lead? Oh look, I'm gonna go in there later because I don't really want to go in there now. Like this video is literally like 5 minutes in, and I've already escaped prison. How do I escape prison in like 3 minutes? That doesn't even make sense. Like, shouldn't it be like a little bit harder? Like, they shouldn't just leave a helicopter out in like the courtyard. But like, I just literally opened up like the doors and just escaped prison, literally. Let's go this way. Let's turn this way. Okay. The bank is literally like right over here, so let's go this way. Come on. YOLO. How do I get money from this bank? Okay. Can you open this door, please? Oops! I am so sorry! Sorry! Okay, I am so— oh my freaking god. Oh no, 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 I do not want to die today. Okay. Look. I just push this money. Go. Come on, get out. How do I, like, what the heck? What the heck? Am I getting money? Like, the vault is open. The vault is open, but like, okay. Well, that was a failure. Go, then go ahead and grab this gun. Then, but like, I'm stuck in the bank. Put in the vault behind it. Come on. Like, I feel like this is too easy. Like, wait, can you open it, please? Oh, we're stuck in here. You wanna die? He has a freaking key card. Yo, thanks. Although I sort of got no money. Okay. Why do you want me to follow you? Do you know more about this game than I do? What do you need? What do you need me for? Because, okay. What do you need it for? Oh my god, I'm sorry. Oh my god. Die! Ha ha ha. YOLO. Come on. Go! Run! Yo, the person's still on. The person is lagging behind. Oh my god, the person is actually lagging. Wait, he's still there. He's actually lagging behind. How are you doing this? Sir, how are you doing this? What the? This game just lagged. Okay, I'm not even touching anything now. I'm just gonna sit back, not even touch anything, but enjoy the really, really fast ride. Is the person still there? No, he left. Great. Are we back in this neighborhood again? Yeah, this is the same neighborhood. Where are we going, ma'am? Okay. Where are we going, ma'am? Ma'am? You sort of just abandoned me. Ma'am? Can you please come back here? I have guns, you know. Come on. No, 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 no. Let me in, ma'am. Ma'am, let me in. Yes. Ma'am. I'm in. I swear, if anybody drops from that helicopter. Is she still in here? Nope. I think the person literally left. Well, let's go this way. Oh, there's a freaking police this way. The police doesn't even care. Okay, policeman. Man. Die! 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 Ready? Die! 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 Reload. No! Die! 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 YOLO. What's that? Yo. I got the key card. Yes? What do you need? I got the key card though. Oh my god, I have. Wait. And that means I can go anywhere I want. Oh, yo. Same. I got the key card. Jump in, please. Okay, smiley face and let's go. Okay. Suddenly we should be freeing them, but it's okay. We need to go rob banks. Okay, I don't think this is actually quite a long trip. I'm actually, I'm not driving on the right side of the road. Now I'm driving on the right side of the road. Or unless in your country you drive on this side of the road, I drive, in my country you drive this side of the road. Well, let's go this way, and... Wait, is the bank that way? Oh my god, where's the bank? Well, let's go try and get a helicopter. I guess we can, like, forgot. Oh, bank. Bank, whoops. Sorry. I thought the bank was this way. I missed it, I know. Oh, whoops. I'm a horrible driver. There we go. Okay. Okay. So who cares about rules and laws when you're a criminal? You can just drive on whatever side of the road you want to. Okay. Let's continue. Whoa, the city looks so cool. Okay, now it's... Where's the bank? Bank? Where is bank? Oh, okay. Bank? Where's the bank? I don't think I can see the bank anywhere. That's not the bank. The bank is at a tall building. Where is it? I can't even scroll out that far. Oh, the bank is this way. Okay. Let's go. The bank is this way. Well, I'm already going to rob the bank. So, okay, I'm gonna go rob the bank. Okay. Booyah. Let's go in. What's this way? Oh, it's gonna reduce out. Okay. You know what? Let's go this way. Let's see. Like. No. Please don't. Hurt. Like, what type of laser defense is this? Like, ow, okay. Like, can I get money? Like, Like I'm not getting any money. Like literally, like this vault is just open. Like, well, like. Oh my God! How do you rob the bank? How do you rob the bank? Like, it just doesn't make any sense. Like, how do you rob this bank? Well, anyways, guys, this is gonna be the end of this video here. I hope that you got what? What did you say? Oh, okay. Well, this is gonna be the end of the video here, guys. If you want to see more of this game, Jailbreak, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more of this content. And guys, I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Bye 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 bye. Goodbye.